Alright man, what's good? Your boy Pulls on the back. Right now I'm gonna show you how to get this cool wager pack I'm using right now. Probably the best wager pack I've used so far. Hella good. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Go to my Discord server in the description. Join that shit. The sound packs is gonna be the newest one I posted. Click on the file. Download it right here. So when that shit's downloaded, you just wanna click on it. Like that shit across. Go to your file explorer, my bad. That shit there like this. Go to your fucking this PC. Go to Windows C. Go to progress files. Go to Epic Games, GTA V, X64, audio, SFX. When I copy these two and drag it in here like this. Place these files. I'm loading in right now and show you how it's Alright man, as you can see, it's that easy. That's how easy just to put it on, man. Just drop a like, bro. Drop a sub, bro. We'll play this server called 187 on God. This shit's fire, bro.